Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today, I'm going to show you swatches from the new Goss Luxury Eye Palette, the Pearl Moonstone, and show you two different looks. This palette just released a few days ago, $55, and just like his first palette, you get a ton of product. It's a 6-pan palette. There's so much in here. I was a little reluctant at first. This is really a cool toned palette, but I've been discovering lately that I like cool tones. And like all of his palettes, he said it will have black. There are 2 mattes, 2 sort of shimmers, and then the celestial shade. So let's take a look at the top 2 mattes. This is that peach and the lighter gray on top. All right, and then this is this really fabulous kind of blue gray on the bottom. I think that is such a beautiful color. And then the silver and that celestial blue, which is phenomenal. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Wow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I did this. But what I'm going to do is, like, the first half, I'm going to do a daytime or a lighter, less dramatic look. And then I'm going to keep going and take it to this look. And I'm going to talk to you about my lip color at the end, and at the very end of this video, I will link videos to my review of this brand of lip product, which I love, and also I will link the video I did on Wayne's first eyeshadow palette. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and thanks so much for joining me. and here is the final look for today. I used Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in Irony and just did like the inner 2/3 of my upper waterline with that. And I used Buxom mascara. Is it just me? I really like these deluxe samples of mascara almost without fail on what kind of mascara it is. I can do a much better job with a mini than the full size. Like if I had a lot of minis that I love and I go buy the full size and I'm like, what the heck, this is not the same mascara. Anyway, and I am not wearing lipstick or lip gloss anymore these days, right? If I go out in public, excuse me, I put on a mask and then it just goes all over the mask. And so usually I have all my lip stuff sitting on my counter next to my sink, and I have these huge containers for it. And really the other day, I put it all in the closet. I'm like, I'm not wearing anything. So I'm so excited since I actually shot a video today. I got to get out something. And when I saw the Uma packaging, I didn't even care what shade it was. It's this beautiful, it's Lady of Gold. I have to give a shout out here to Uma Beauty. Love their lipstick. Haven't tried any of the rest of their makeup, but love their mission. Check them out. I'm sure they're having Black Friday sales. So let me share final thoughts about Wayne Goss Moonstone, Pearl Moonstone. I'm gonna be real honest. This came yesterday and I just kind of messed around with it a little bit and I hated it. I took it off. That's how bad it was. I took it off. So today, I knew I was gonna shoot and I honestly didn't know how it was gonna come out. I did watch a couple other videos, love Mel Thompson, and I was inspired by the looks she put together. And that's also where I got the idea of doing kind of the look to midpoint, because that was a really easy, I thought, daytime or lighter look, and then taking it to this kind of full disco, fabulous look. I will say the exercise of just doing that today made me really respect and start falling in love with this palette. I wasn't originally gonna get it. I saw the colors and I'm like, not my jam. But what convinced me was I feel like Wayne puts so much thought and care into the cosmetics that he's doing that I felt pretty assured I couldn't go wrong. And seeing how this ended up today, I think it was spot on. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a really fantastic day.